Hi, hello. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. My new subscribers, thank you for being part of my friends. Today is Saturday, and on Saturday we do cast off our low income 100 envelope savings challenge, which I think, to be honest with you guys, the multiplication one is not kind of low, because some of the numbers when you add them up is very high. So I'm doing it little by little. I'm not doing 5 envelopes at a time. I'm not doing 10 like the way I did for the addition one. The addition ones I think is very easy. I think that we're going to do one more addition because people like that one. So after this we will go back and do addition, so that for those who are new here will know what we are doing for the 100 envelope savings challenge. With that being said, today is another video, and we are just going to do 3 envelopes, which will sum up to, I think, if I'm not mistaken, we will do the math, but let me count the money. So this $5 is going to my spring challenge, which I will show you guys. My husband gave me $5 to put towards my savings challenges, and I'm putting that one in my spring. So I'll put that one on the side. Then this is the money that is going towards the 100 envelope savings challenge. So before I do that, let's do our motivational message. So today it says, if you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. What is weighing you down? You want to do something. What is weighing you down? You really have to give that one up. To me, there's a lot of things I have to give up to do a lot of stuff that I know it will make me fly, but at times it's very, very hard. But will I make the heart stop me? Nope, I will not. I have to keep on flying because I really want to achieve something, move on, not stuck at one place. So if that's the case, I have to weigh those things down. I know sleeping is one of the things that if you allow me, I will sleep my 8 hours and I won't get stuff done. But I cannot, because if I sleep 8 hours, some of my time that I have to do work on my business, my video, will not be possible. So if you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. Yeah, it's hard, I know. So let's leave that one here. Then let's count the money. 20, 40, 60. 20, 65. 67, 69, 70, 71, 72. So we're using $72 today. And we are just going to do 3 envelopes, which you guys will see. But before I do that, today was a restock day, which by the time you are watching this video, I will have all my wallets, all the colors, the 5 colors that I have on the website running, and I'm doing 20% off. So if you want any color, they are restock. Go and check it out. It runs so fast because my prices are cheap. It's not, if you compare to other prices, it's not that they are not quality. It's just that I want to bring an affordable stuff to you guys. A stuff that anybody can afford, not to break your bank. So let me right quick show you all the wallets that I have and the colors. I do have some here already. So I do have this color black. I do have the grape color, which is the most common color. It runs so fast. I do have the peach, which look like this. Then I have 2 more colors that I want to show you guys. I do have the pink, and I do have the white. So I'll use the white to show you how it look like for those who are new here. It has a lot of card space here, a lot of spaces, It has a white space here. That's what I like, because even if you are not using it for cast stuffing, you can still put your money here. If you don't like the rings, maybe you don't want to use it, or you are thinking about doing the cast stuffing and it's not yet, you can use it as a regular wallet and put your money here, put all your cards. It has a place for coins. That's one thing I love too. And it's really durable. I have had this for like, and not up to a year yet, but look at it. It's still new. It has a pen holder. And also when you put, I wish I can put water and show you. Easy to clean. Easy, very easy to clean. One of these days I will show you guys how to clean, but trust me, very easy. I'm using it myself. It's not like I'm selling it to you and I'm not using it. I'm using it myself to see how good this wallet is. So go check it out. Go really check it out. So thank you for everybody for buying from my shop. I really appreciate you guys. Really appreciate. So now let's dive into the 100 envelope challenge. Let's see. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is how far we are. So cute. Can't wait to count it. Okay, so today we are doing 45, which is 4 times 5 is 20. Four times 6 is 24. Four times 7, 28. So this is all that I'm doing today. Okay. So we did 3 envelopes or 3 patches. Then so I'll go ahead and record it. Okay. And let me also record on my empty tracker. So we did. I didn't record the last time or what? Because this is the 4th flow. Oh yeah, I did record last time. So we did 4 times 5, which was 20. Then we did 24, then 28. Okay, just want to make sure I was recording it right. Okay. So that's it for this one. the 100 envelope savings challenge. I'll put it on the side. Then I'm gonna do my spring challenge. So for my spring challenge, I'm just putting the $5 that my husband gave me. So I have, so this is the spring challenge. I have it for free. You can print it out and work along. So today I'm doing $5. And now I have a new thing that I'm going to use this money for. My son want to build a PC. He's a game person. He want to build his own PC, which is good that you want to do that, but it requires a lot of money. I need about $10,000 to do that. So I'm gonna save this money for that. So that's that. The spring challenge. Okay. So today we did a spring challenge and we did the 100 envelope savings challenge for low income. We put in about $72. And for those of you who have been asking me that you can keep up, you don't have to keep up. It's step by step for me because I'm filming it for you guys. But you can do it at your own space, anyhow you want to do it. You can decide that when you watch the video and this month that's envelopes that you want to do, you do it. I will still have these videos on my YouTube channel. You can go back and reference it. And when I'm done, I put up the short video together so you have like a whole idea. So don't rush through it. Don't rush through it. Trust me, don't rush. You can do it at your own space. Yeah, so thank you for all the questions coming. I really appreciate it. I still have a few of these 100 envelope savings challenge in my shop. So if you need it, you can. If you don't, and you can use a regular envelopes for that. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate everybody. Go and be grateful. Bye, bye, bye.